Hey guys, if you're like me, you think that the E39 is probably the best sedan ever made in the history of sedans ever being made, but there's one big problem with them. And if you have an E39, you know what that problem is. That's right, these things. These little jokes of a cup holder. They don't really work for anything. They are kind of garbagey. They can maybe hold up a 4-ounce can of something, but definitely not our big American-sized big gulps and the like. So what we're gonna do is fix this really easily. So what I've got here, a couple of cup holders that I picked up off of Amazon. You can get them for $5 and they have these big hooks on the side of them. There's a perfect place in the E39 for these to go, but we have to modify them a little bit first. So let's go do that. To make these things work the way I want them to work, we just have to cut this lip off here. So we're gonna get out the crimpers or tin snips or something like that and just cut right along this line here on both sides. And then I'll show you guys where you can put these inside your E39 so that they will hold your drinks, not fall over, and not really be in the way either and look ugly. So we just cut off the sides. We're back in the car now, and where these are actually going to go is right here. So you can see that there's this trim right here, and you can gently lift that up, and we're going to stick our cup holder up underneath it. And what that'll do is get our cup holder out of the way. You're not going to bump into it when you're using it, and it doesn't even show up like you can see it in the car. So great place to put these things. Let's go ahead and do it. Now you can take your giant industrial sized coffee, stick it right in there, out of the way, and when you're driving the car, leg doesn't bump at all. Perfect place.
Quick tips.